Iran tested a wide variety of weapons, including cruise missiles, torpedoes and suicide drones, during an annual war game between last year November. The Arash suicide drone, introduced in 2020, has a range of up to 1,243 miles and can fly for up to 7.5 hours. An Arash appeared to hit a target on the side of a mountain in video footage from the drill, but the test range was not given. On the other hand, Mohajer 6 is one of the most advanced and efficient guided UAVs. Mohajer 6 drone, which is one of the leading military products of Iran in the field of surveillance using electro-optical, laser, infrared detection systems, electronic enemy interception systems, electronic warfare, interceptor system, and automatic detection, automatic flight, and landing system. A stabilized electro-optical system is installed under the body of the Mohajer 6 and behind the front landing gear, which looks like a kind of eagle tent system. This system can monitor day and night by tracking and pursuing the desired goals. A front-facing camera is also installed inside the nose of this drone. The drone can carry 40 kilograms of weapons in its wing hangars and fire smart diamond missiles and vertical guided bombs. Mohajer 6 uses the same optical system used by Shad 129. This optical system can start the search to find the target from a distance of 12 kilometers and lock on it from 10 kilometers in day view camera mode. Of course, this camera also has a laser pointer and infrared vision system, which is used to guide laser or infrared ammunition. Mohajer 6 is a high-wing drone, meaning that its wing is mounted on the upper part of the fuselage, but its twin boom shape is similar to the Mohajer 4. The figure of the fuselage shows similarities with the Italian Falco UAV, although Mohajer has 6 more elongated fuselages. The landing gear of this drone has a simple design and is not collapsible. It seems that the low production price has been one of the goals of the Mohajer 6 project. The 3-bladed propeller motor is located at the immigrant body 6. The appearance of these blades is different from previous types, and they probably produce less sound or more force, which have replaced the previous designs. The wings of Mohajer 6 are of a simple rectangular type with an asymmetrical horn, to which the double tails of the UAV, like other species of the Mohajer family, are attached. The composite body of this drone reduces its radar reflection. Has a maximum takeoff weight of 600 kilograms, a length of 5.5 meters, a wing width of 10 meters, a flight ceiling of 18,000 feet, and a speed of 200 kilometers an hour. The range of this guided bird is approximately 2,000 kilometers, which is used to monitor day and night and track and pursue targets. Mohajer 6 is able to operate in a variety of operations against fixed and moving targets with respect to the possession of guided weapons. As Iran developed and grew its UAV portfolio, the vast majority were produced at home. The current fleet is overwhelmingly domestically manufactured. Some components may have been acquired in the grey market or were acquired covertly. There are indications in UN reports that this remains the case. But in terms of the overall design, manufacturing is now done inside Iran. What UAVs allow Tehran to do, compared to a crude combat aircraft, is mitigate the risk of loss. For example, UAVs can be flown much closer to the opposition forces and take imagery. If the drone gets shot down, then Tehran has lost the equivalent of a small, radio-controlled aircraft. Iran doesn't have to worry about getting the crew back. If they lose a pilot or crew downed in hostile territory, it becomes an issue. That just isn't the case with UAVs. They are also much cheaper than manned aircraft, at least at the low end of the capability spectrum. Within the conventional military, UAVs fulfill traditional operational roles, such as intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, at a variety of ranges depending on the vehicle and the sensors on board. Some of the UAVs also carry weapons. Many of Iran's UAVs seem to be operated by the Revolutionary Guards, IRGC, although the conventional army and navy also deployed drones, as of 2021. The IRGC also reportedly provides these systems, along with the design and manufacturing skills, to its regional proxies, which offers Iran plausible, or perhaps implausible deniability about links to any attack source. Tehran has managed to knock a few American drones out of the sky. At one point, they appeared to copy the US Scan Eagle, which is a small UAV. The extent to which Iran could successfully reverse engineer has got to be treated with some caution, particularly the RQ-170, a US drone shot down by Iran in December 2011. The regional powers have looked at the development of UAV technology and its adoption by the first and second tier armed forces of the world and decided that they need these capabilities as well. There is quite a gulf in terms of technology. Western equivalents are going to be considerably more capable than what Iran produces. Iran's medium to large UAVs can probably stay in the air for up to 20 hours while carrying fairly sophisticated sensors, payloads and a range of weapons. That's the other element that we've seen Iran develop, small weapons suitable for UAV carrying and use. While Iran's drones don't stack up in terms of technology, their capabilities can't be dismissed. These systems are designed around what Tehran needs. Iran doesn't necessarily want an extremely capable system which may demand highly capable operators, which it may yet not have. And the UAVs and direct attack munitions have to be cost-effective. Iran has exported a significant number of UAVs, which is obvious because of the range of the attacks. Iran's export of its UAV designs and manufacturing know-how to non-state actors in the region is just as important as its export of UAV stock and weaponry. UAVs are something the US military undoubtedly factors in. The United States would be foolish to ignore it. UAVs are part and parcel of what the US thinks about when it looks at Iran's military capability. How do we deal with this? How do we manage it?